एकदम नज़दीक है, पर कुछ का रैप में कुछ में, ठीक है, ये निकल नहीं रहा।
लंच
This is one. There are a lot of more inside. Okay.
अच्छा
So this is one. How can I hand it over to you?
डब्बा मंगवा रहे हैं ज़रा, तो पॉलीथीन में डाल दें।
This is one. Okay, you can see the stool and the condom packet with it. Front body inside. There are few more. Here's another one. Second one, same heavy metallic object with stool inside and that in a condom. Okay. Relax, Baba. Relax. Relax. This one is higher up. Fingers can get inside. Just wait, just a bit. Relax, relax, Baba. Relax. Third one, same stool is mixed. Basically, it is metallic and very hard to hold. You can see the weight. Metallic object. No more. Okay, only three. तीनटा छिलो. Okay, all three are.
और बता रहा था यार,
No, I cannot get
Okay.
the rest. My hand only can get three. There are more things inside, but for that we need to go for an invasive procedure or might be colonoscopy might be needed. These three was digitally palpable and can be taken out by hand only. But something is more inside, but we have to look for that later on. Okay.
ओके सर।
তোমার নাম বলো। তোমার নাম কি? সামাল। কটা ঢুকিয়েছিলে? কটা? শিওর করে বলো। At least there was three. I mean, okay, we have taken out 3 samples from the rectum, which was palpable rectally and can be felt digitally. All 3 were